Nah, it's rewind time. If I control rewind, I want flying Christmas trees, skating on weird obstacles, stupid skate, and bad puns. Let's go. All right, guys, we are super excited to share with you the best Braille moments of 2018. Go ahead and leave a comment below with what your favorite moment was in 2018 on Braille. All right, Fetty, what was your favorite moment in all of 2018 on Braille?
Besides being full-time? Like video-wise?
Yeah, video-wise, in the videos.
Was the nail board this year? The nail board's my favorite.
The nail board. We're pretty sure that that was not 2018, but we're showing that clip anyway.
It could have been the beginning.
Yeah, it might have been.
We skated the nail board a lot, so there was probably some point.
Definitely we skated it in 2018. We skated it 2 weekends ago.
Oh! Yes! Yes! Yes!
I cannot believe it! They really are indestructible! R.I.P. nail board.
Oh! Yes! Sorry, Fetty, I'm sorry. Look, Fetty's so mad at me right now.
Oh my goodness. My favorite moment, 100% hands down guaranteed, was the Christmas tree fiasco. Like just the end of it when it was like, I don't even want to tell you what happened. Just watch this clip.
I take no responsibility for this if it breaks anything.
It'll hit the ramp and then it'll launch up.
I told you! No! Not again! Should we do it again and put the ramp on that
Yes,
side?
we should!
Pull it out. Pull it out.
Hold on, damage report.
Well, you guys are angled like that, so it's kind of.
Well, you should have told us.
I mean, I wasn't standing here to say, oh, let me check your angle.
It'll lose all its momentum by the time it hits the wall.
I think the damage is done.
The worst thing that could possibly happen is now done.
I have built many houses. I will fix this. This is literally the most dangerous thing that has ever occurred in the Braille house, hands down, ever.
The worst thing that could possibly happen is now done.
I said the exact same angle. I said the same angle. That was the worst case scenario.
It'll lose all its momentum by the time it hits the wall. It has the bungee to pull it back. We have nothing to lose.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no!
It's a Christmas miracle!
Oh no!
All right, guys, here it comes. Fire in the hole.
Did you see YouTube Rewind?
No, I don't even know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Is that like a channel?
Same. So what was your favorite moment in Braille in 2018 from any video? Could be Braille Army channel.
Like every
this channel.
persistence video that we've ever done and every game of skate because it's funny. And hanging out with you. I don't think you guys realize this guy's like really funny. I wish you guys could see off camera, Aaron, but you can't.
Yeah. Better luck next time. Play the clip.
That was so good.
All right, Daniel, that is not from Australia.
That's me.
So, have you seen YouTube Rewind?
Yes.
Good. So, what is your favorite moment from Braille in 2018?
I don't know. The persistence I did probably.
Which one?
I tray flipped up this ramp. But all the builds we did was really fun.
This ramp.
When we built the ramp up the Braille drop, and when we made the long box go from the top of the Braille drop to the bottom, probably was the funnest one.
I have an idea. Let's just lift it all the way up the stairs and push it down from the top. Yeah. Now let's just take unsturdy ladders and try and lift it like that.
You know what? The Egyptians built pyramids. I feel like we can get this up this.
How in the world did that work?
All right, wait.
You know what my most memorable video of you in 2018 was?
What?
The Smith grind at Fremont.
Yeah, that was my second least favorite video.
Oh, the butt.
How did I do that?
My least favorite was the floor is lava. It ruined my life.
He had a full-scale emotional breakdown.
Full-scale emotional breakdowns. The floor is
It
lava.
started so fun, and then
Ended so badly.
I tried, I was like, all right, I gotta take it more serious because it's not working. And then the more serious I took it, the worse it went.
That is a motto for your life. The more serious you take it, the worse it goes. Play the
true.
clip.
This corner messes me up all the time. I don't know. The spirit's all over this thing, okay? The demons, I don't know, but it's making me hate everything right now. I've probably missed 35 Smiths in my life, and they've all been during this video. And that one where I hit my back. But other than that, I tried to roll down this bank right here and I almost died. I'm just trying to hit the rail so I can know that I can hit the rail.
It's getting to him. It's there. It's the lowest I've ever seen him. He hasn't been in this much pain since he hit his back on the rail.
Did you see him out there?
All right, guys, 2018 was incredible. Thank you so much for all of your continued help and support. 2019 is going to be absolutely amazing, though. I want to do a whole video series where we teach literally anyone that we can to learn how to skate. So I do need your help with that. Like, it would be great to get Ninja here to do a video, Will Smith, anyone that you can think of that you think should step on a skateboard in the Braille house, light them up. Let's go, Braille Army. Gordon Ramsay, the Try Guys. Let's go. We love you guys, and we love everyone who creates anything on YouTube. You guys are all the best, absolute best. Well, hello, Wang Danga. Daniel, not from Australia.
Not?
From Australia. Okay, did you see YouTube Rewind?
Yeah.
What was your least favorite moment in all of 2018?
The shinner I got yesterday.
That was rough.
Wang Dang
I couldn't
Daniel.
feel my ankle for about half an hour.
I'm sorry.
I hit you. I hit myself. Sorry, Dan.
He repeats itself.
Oh! hurt myself. Oh man, that's like.
History repeats itself.
Well, Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz, I know
Lawyer
you
Cairo.
saw YouTube Rewind, so
Yeah.
give me your favorite moment in Braille 2018.
I thought you were gonna ask me my favorite YouTube Rewind moment. I was like, I don't know. I'm gonna put in a little 5 minutes
Will
later
Smith.
thing because I know it's gonna take me a long time to decide because I've been filming for 2 channels this year and there's so many memories. I don't even know what to think. But got it.
What?
Okay.
The
My
balloons?
favorite moment from Braille Army
When you crushed the drone?
is when Carlos was using the bungee. We pulled him out like 20 feet outside the Braille house and he went so fast that he couldn't stop and slid all the way across the top platform and hit his head on the back wall because he couldn't stop.
If you ever become friends with Gabe and he tells you that something is a good idea,
It's
and then
usually not.
afterwards he says, "This was my favorite moment when you flew into a concrete wall with your head," you kind of know, like that's, you know.
It's rewind time. It's rewind time. 10 feet out the warehouse. Oh my God. Oh my.
Dude, that was way too fast.
Oh my God. Did you hit your head?
I thought you were trying.
Dude, no, we're done. We're done, dude. We're done. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, I'm having a lot of
Carlos on the 3 block.
The 3 block in Stockton, we went. That's my favorite. But Fetty getting pulled around on the Timo board with the freaking Captain America shield swinging around, hitting the fence. One of my favorite moments of 2018.
I'm sorry.
There was a fence there. I used the shield as protection. I try to hide in the shield.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
No road rush?
We're good.
Let's see. Dude, what about when Fetty hit the Line-X board with the hammer and it made the fireball, and then Carlos tried to stomp it and fell into the flame?
I know more.
Oh, and then, you know what another good one is? Oh,
Oh man.
the rockets.
I forgot about
The
that. Too,
rocket
when Andy
skateboard.
almost died on the freaking rocket. Oh my God. Oh my God! He moved! He moved! Yeah! Yes! Are you okay?
So scary.
Was it scary?
Hell yeah, dude. Oh my God. Oh, I could
On the whole time, you wrote it out. You're the boss.
Oh my God.
When Carlos tried to go over the ball, he bounced off it and flew into the bank. You remember that too?
Carlos, that was the worst thing I've ever seen. That was terrible.
I should have like stayed on, dude. I didn't commit.
And then he said, "It's possible though." If I would have been like, "It's impossible."
Oh,
Brilliant.
there's so many moments, man.
Brilliant.
Now they're all coming back at once, and it's overwhelming.
Really?
Man, we really do need rewind time. How many dislikes can this video get?
Please like.
Smash that dislike button! If this video gets 100,000 dislikes, Aaron will buy you all a car!
Hit the like button if you don't want Gabe to yell in the videos anymore. I'm reading your comments and I understand. I understand your frustration. We're all frustrated with it, to be honest. We've talked to him several times. We've had interventions. His mom has come. It's a lot going on. He's a yelling guy. He yells a lot. He's angry.
I'm sorry, I'll try to tone it down.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. There are tons of other videos right there. In fact, you saw tons of little clips from various videos. You can go watch those videos and you will have an absolute blast. If you want my recommendation, go Christmas tree. Go hard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next one.